Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will begin our exercise 7.2 of class 8th. So before starting the exercise we will see some terms that we will use in the exercise. Here we have the number and here we have the cubes of the number. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. So as you can see, the unit place of 1 cube is 1, unit place of 2 cube is 8, unit place of 3 cube is 27, it means 7, 4 cube unit place is 4, 5 cube unit place is 5. So whenever we have unit place this kind of number like 1, on that time their answer having the unit place also 1. When we have the unit place of cube number 2, on that time the answer unit place number is also 8. When we have the unit place of the number of cube is 3, on that time the answer of the cube number, its unit digit is 7. So same thing is continuously going on. So now we are going with the cube root. So when we remove this power of 3 symbol or cube from the one side, so it will put opposite side cube root. So cube root is representing by in this symbol the same symbol as square, but here 3 will come because this 3 is representing that the number is a cube root. So just opposite we have to go. 1 cube value is 1. The cube root of 8 is 2. So cube root of 8 is 2. We can also write it in the form of 2 cube inside the cube root. Okay, inside the cube root we have 2 cube. So cube power of 3 will give us only 1 time 2. Cube root of 27 value is 3. Cube root of 64 value is 4. Cube root of 125 is 5. Cube root of 216 is 6. Cube root of 343 is 7. Cube root of 512 is 8. Cube root of 729 is 9. And cube root of 1000 is 10. Now we will begin our exercise 7.2. Its first question is find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So we have to find the cube root by which method? By prime factorization method. So firstly we will take the prime factors of numbers. So here is 64. So 64 firstly divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 32 divide by 2 16 time. Now 16 will divide from 2 8 time. 8 will divide by 2 4 time. 4 goes 2 time and lastly 2 will go 1 time. So factors of 64 are 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 time what? 6 time 2. And we are going to taking their cube roots. So that's why we have to do the pairing of 3, because cube means the power of 3. The terms cube is representing the term 3. So in this we have to doing the pairing of 3 numbers. So we have to find the cube root. That's why I am putting 64 inside the cube root. And here also all the prime factors of 64 will also come inside the cube root. Now as you can see, this is the cube root. That's why we have to do the pairing of 3. in the square we are doing the pairing of 2, but in this we have to do the pairing of 3. The first pair of 3 will give us 1 2 outside of root, same as the second pair of 3 will give outside of the root is 1 time 2. Okay, so cube root of 64 is 4. Cube root of 64 is 4. So as you can see, 4 cube value is 64. So just opposite we taken, the cube root of 64 is 4 here. Now second part, 512 is here. So same, we will take the prime factors of 512. Firstly it will go with the table of 2, and it will go, 5 will go 2 times, its remaining 1 will go near to 1 and it will become 11. 11 will go from the table of 2 5 times, remaining 1 will go near to 2, so it will become 12. 12 comes in the table of 2 6 times. Now again from the table of 2, 2 comes 1 time, 5 comes 2 times, but that remaining 1 will go near to here 6, and 6 will become 16. So 16 will come 8 time. Now again 12 will come 6 time, 8 will come 4 time. Again 6 will come 3 time, 4 will come 2 time. Now 3 will come 1 time, and that remaining 1 will go near to 2 and it will become 12. 12 will become 6 time. Now 16 will come in the table of 2 8 times, 8 will come 4 time, 4 will come 2 time, and that lastly 2 will come 1 time. So that the prime factors of 512 are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times 2. So here is the prime factors of 512. We have to find the cube root of 512. That's why both terms are putting inside the cube root. So these prime factors will give the first pair out of the root only 1 time. Second pair will also give the value as a 1 time, and last pair will also give the value as a 1 time. So first pair will give 1 time, second pair will give 1 time, and last pair will give 1 time. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so that the cube root of 512 is 8. Third is 10648. So 8 is here, so this is the even number, it means it will divide by firstly 2. 10 is coming in the table of 2 5 time, 6 will come 3 time, 4 will come 2 time, and 8 will come 4 time. Again we have even number, 5 will come 2 time, that remaining 1 will go near to 3 and it will become 13. 13 will come 6 time, remaining 1 will go near to 2 and it will become 12. 12 will come 6 time. 4 is coming in the table of 2 times. Again 2 is coming 1 time, 6 is coming 3 time, 6 is coming 3 time, and that lastly 1 will come 1 time. Now it will directly 1331 directly go with the table of 11. Okay, 13 is not coming in the table of 11. 11 is coming 1 time, that remaining 2 will go near to 3 and it will become 23. 23 is not coming, 22 is coming. How many time? 2 time, and that remaining 1 will go near to 1 and it will become 11. 11 is coming 1 time. Now again it will go with the table of 11. 121 will divide by 11 time, and lastly it will go with the table of 11 1 time. So that the prime factors of 10648, 2 2 2 3 times 2, 11 11 11 3 times 11. We have to find the cube root of 10,648. That's why we are putting cube root on the both side. So first pair will give one value out of the cube root, and second pair of 11 will also give value only one time out of the cube root. So this is the first two of the first pair, and this is the 11. 2 11s are 22. So that the cube root of 10,648 is 22. Fourth is 27,000. So 27,000. Firstly, we will take their prime factors. Firstly, it will go with the table of 2. 2 will come one time, 7 will come 3 times, remaining 1 will go near to 0 and it will become 10. 10 is coming 5 times, and 00 as it is. Again from table of 2, 13 is not coming, less than 13, 12 is coming 6 times, remaining 1 will go near to 5 and it will become 15. Less than 1 from 15 is 14 and 14 is coming 7 times. Remaining 1 will go near to 0 and it will become 10. 10 is coming 5 times and 0 as it is. Now again it will divide by table of 2. 6 is coming 3 times. Less than 1 from 7, 6. 6 is coming 3 times, and that remaining 1 will go near to 5 and it will become 15. Less than 1 from 15, 14. 14 is coming in the table of 2 7 times, and that 0 will become 10 and it will go 5 times. Now from the table of 3, 3 comes 1 time, these 3 will come 1 time, 7 is not coming, 6 is coming 2 times, and that 7 1 will go near to 5, so 15 will come 5 times. Now again it will go with the table of 3, 11 is not coming, 9 is coming 3 times, that remaining 2 will go near to 2 and it will become 22. So 21 is coming 7 times, remaining 1 will go near to 5, so it will become 15. 15 is coming 5 times. So again it will go with the table of 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Okay, here 2, 3 5s are 15. Now 125 is coming in the table of 5, 25 times. 25 will go 5 times and 5 will go 1 time. So these are the factors of prime factors of 27,000. It has the first pair of 3, that is 2, second pair of 3, that is 3, and the last pair of 3, that is 5. So they all will give outside the root only one time their value. 2 is here, 3 is here, and lastly 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So that the cube root of 27,000 is 30. Fifth is 15,625. Its prime factors is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5. We have to take their cube root. That's why both side is coming inside the cube root. So it is the first pair of 5 and this is the second pair of 5 of 3 numbers. Okay. So that the first pair will give 1 time 5. Second pair will give 1 time 5. So that the 5 into 5 is 25. So cube root of 15,625 is 25. Sixth is 13,824. Its prime factors is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 2, 3 times 3. So both side we have to put the cube root for taking cube root. So here is cube root and here is also cube root. This is the first pair. This is the first pair, sorry, second pair, third pair, and this is the last pair. First pair will give 1 time 2, second pair will give 1 time 2, third pair will give 1 time 2, and lastly fourth pair will give 1 time 3. So that 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 3s are 24. So cube root of 13,824 is 24. Same as 7th. 7th prime factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times 2 and 3 times 3. So we have to take their cube root. That's why we have to do the pairing of 3. So this is first pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair, and this is fifth pair. So first pair will give 1 time 2, second pair will give second time, third will give 1 time, fourth will give 1 time, and lastly it will give 1 time 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 48. 7th 46,656 is 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 times 2 and 6 times 3. So this is the first pair, this is the second pair, this is the third, and this is the last. So first pair is giving 1 time 2, second pair is also 1 time 2, third will give 1 time 3, and last will give 1 time 3. So as you can see, we have to multiply these 4 numbers, that 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So cube root of 46,656 is 36. Now 9th number question is 1,75,616. Its prime factors is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times 2, 3 times 7. So this is the first pair, this is the second pair, this is the third pair, and this is the fourth pair. So first pair will give 1 time 2, second pair 1 time 2, third pair will give 1 time 2, and last we will give 1 time 7. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 7s are 56. Last question, 10th number, 91,125. So it has 6 times 3 and 3 times 5. So first pair, second pair, and this is the last pair. So first pair will give 1 time 3, second is 3, and lastly will give 1 time 5. So 3 3s are 9 and 9 5s are 45. So that cube root of 91,125 is 45. Now question number 2 of exercise 7.2. Its question number 2 is state true or false. So we have to answer that given sentence is right or wrong. First is cube of any odd number. So odd numbers are 1, 1, 3, 5. So it's cube, because cube of any odd number is even. It means their answer should be even. Let's see. 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27, 5 cube is 125. They all are odd, but sentence is telling this is even. It means given sentence is false. Now second, a perfect cube does not ends with 20. So वो बोल रहा है at the end of the perfect cube that never ends with 20. So let's see. 10, 20, 30. When we are taking their cube, the 10 cube is 1000, 20 cube is 8000, 30 cube is 27,000. At the end we have 330. Here is 30, here is 30, and here is also 30. So it means the statement is false. The statement is telling only 20, but we have 30 and not ends with 20. 20 से नहीं होता है, So that is absolutely right. Now third statement, that if square of a number ends with 5. So whose square is ending with 5? Firstly, 5 square end with 5 because this is 25. One more example we will take. 15 square is 225. So this much. If square of a number ends with 5. So these two examples we taken. Both are ending with 5. Then its cube end with 25. So when we are taking the 5 cube here and 15 cube is here, it must be ends with 25. So 5 cube is 125. This is ending with 25. But 15 cube is ending with 25 or not, we will check. 15 cube is 3375. It does not ends with 25. It is ending with 75. And this means our statement is false, because the statement is telling if square of a number. So whatever the number we can take, not always we are taking the first, sometimes we can take this one. Okay. Now fourth, there is a no perfect cube which ends with 8. So at the end of the perfect cube we did not get answer as a 8. So first number that we take 2 cube is 8. It is having the ones place as a 8. When we are taking the 12 cube, on that time also we have 1728. It is also ending with 8. One more example we can see. 22 cube is 10,648. This is also ending with 8. This means this is telling not, there is no perfect cube which ends with 8 and they are perfect cube. Question is telling not perfect cube. It means the statement is false. Fifth is, the cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. So when we are taking the 2-digit cube, its answer will be 3-digit. So first 2-digit number, that is 10, when we are taking its cube is 1000, that is having 4-digit. One more example we can take. 11 cube, its answer is 1331. It is also having 4-digit, and question is telling, sentence is telling only 3-digit. That's why it will become false. Now fourth, the cube of 2-digit number maybe have 7 or more digit. So when we are taking the 2-digit number cube, so which is the largest 2-digit number? Largest 2-digit number is 99. So we will take its example, okay, because after the 99 we have 3-digit number. So 9 cube is 99,70299. Okay. Question is telling the cube of 2-digit number may have 7 or more digit. So largest 2-digit number is 99 and it is having only 6 digit. And question is telling it should be have 7 or more digit. It means the statement is false. Now 7, the cube of single digit number. This cube of single digit number. So who is single digit number? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, they all are single digit. When we are taking their cube, okay, cube, here is cube, here is cube. So when we are taking their cube, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So the cube of single digit number may be single digit number, may be, okay, and we are getting some condition as a right. Maybe word is here and we are getting some condition as a right. That's why this statement is true. Question number 3 is, you are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? So we have to answer without the calculation whose its square is its cube root. So in this you can see for 1331 its unit place is 1. So in the cube root table, we have here we seen whose ones place as a 1, only the one cube having the ones place as a 1. Okay, so 1 cube as a 1, it means this number, it may be the cube of 11, 21, 31, 41. So let's check it. One we seen, 1 cube is 1. Next one number who is having 1 on the ones place is 11. 11 cube is 1331. So we got it 1331. So that cube root of 1331 is 11. Here as you can see, we did not did any calculation. Now next number is 4913. 4913. In this again we have unit place as a which? Unit place as a 3. Its unit place as a 3. So in whose cube we have unit place as a 3. This is 1. It has 2, 8. It has 7. It has 4. It has 5. It has 6. It has 3. So unit place as a 3 in which number? 7 cube having 3. Okay, 7 cube having 3. So okay, so 7 cube is 343. Now the next number who is having 7 on the ones digit is 17. So we will take the 17 cube. 17 cube is 4913. We got it. It means its opposite when we do, like in this form, cube root of 4913, its answer will be 17. Next number is 12167. So its unit place, who is sitting on the unit place is 7. So when we are taking the cube of numbers, in whom cube we have unit place as a 7, it has 1, 2 having 8, 3 having 7. So we see so 3 cube is 27. So next number after the 13 is 3 is 13. Okay, because 3 is having on the ones place. So that the 13 cube is 2197. We did not get in. Next number we have to jump. Next number is 23. 23 cube is 12167. We got it. So when we do the opposite, same. So cube root of 12167, we got 23. Same as the last, it has 32,768. Its unit place is 8. Okay, so first number who is having unit place as a 8 is 2. So 2 cube is 8. So next number who is having 2 on the ones place, that is 2, and here is 1. After 2, 12 is having 2 on the ones place. So 12 cube is 1728. We did not get it. Next number after the 12 is 22. 22 cube is 10,648. Next number, because we did not see the number that we want. After 22, 32 cube we have to take. 32 cube is 32,768. We got it. So when we do the opposite, it means the cube root of 32,768 we will get 32. So here we completed chapter number 7, that is cubes and cube root.